Hello everyone. So here we are discussing about the difference between monocarpic plant and polycarpic plant. So first, what is the definition of monocarpic plant? Monocarpic plants are those plants which flower only once in their lifetime. Okay? So monocarpic plants flower only once in their lifetime. Okay, so monocarpic plants are those plants which produce flower only once in their lifetime, and mono means single. Okay, single. So single flower producing in their whole lifetime. But in polycarpic plants, flower every year in a particular season. Every year in a particular season. Okay, so polycarpic plants flower every year in a particular season, but monocarpic plants flower only once in their lifetime. Then these plants are generally annual or biennial. Okay, so monocarpic plants are generally annual of biennial. Very few monocarpic fruits are perennial. Very few monocarpic fruits are perennial. But in case of polycarpic plants, these plants are perennial, or maximum polycarpic plants are perennial. But in case of monocarpic plants are generally annual or biennial. Very few monocarpic plants are perennial. And monocarpic plants, the monocarpic plants die after flowering and fruiting. Die after flowering and fruiting. But in case of polycarpic plant, do not die after flowering and fruiting. And the last difference between monocarpic plants and polycarpic plants are, there are some best examples. In case of monocarpic plants, the rice, wheat, and carrot are the examples of monocarpic plant. But in case of polycarpic plants, maximum all the fruits like apple, mango, orange, and grapes are the examples of polycarpic plants. So friends, this is the basic difference between monocarpic plants and polycarpic plants. If you want to know the details of monocarpic plants, you can comment me. I can make the video about the details of monocarpic plants or polycarpic plants. So till this is the basic difference between monocarpic plants and polycarpic plants. Thank you.